We know our children really, really well. We feel like they're part of our family, it's our own little school family, and we look after them as if they're our own children, really, because they are while we're here.
Having a whole school approach to wellbeing is crucial to ensure that everybody is well looked after and everybody's needs are catered for. It's got to be holistic and it's got to permeate throughout all aspects of school life.
The school have really made big efforts to keep the children safe and in school wherever possible.
We will identify children who we think need a little bit of support, either due to experiences that they've had during the pandemic or because emotionally they're finding it difficult. Within different classrooms there are different areas where children can go with and find strategies on calming down, some mindfulness. There's mindfulness colouring available. Different classes have different worry boxes or bubble time. They know that they can come and talk to the staff at any time.
Do notice that when they're in school and their brains are active and they're with their friends, that, their well-being is really benefited.
We also have begun a Wellbeing Wednesday whereby we promote the health and well-being of not only our learners within school, but to ensure that our staff are well catered for.
We have had our mug of kindness as well, which is passed around the staff. So if you have the mug, which has got some goodies in it, you then keep the goodies, refill the mug, and pass the mug around to a different member of staff. So that's a really lovely surprise when you come in the morning if you find that. We're all working together, we're all here to support one another, help each other out, and we'll step in if we're needed.